Hi my angels, welcome back to my obsession. This is Anamika here and today I'm going to talk you through how I got my skin looking from this to this. Yes, now as you guys already know, I have been using a lot of products and to be very honest, nothing really works for my skin. Recently, I came across to the ingredients which is called the glycolic acid and which is going to actually work for your dark spots and blemishes, and I was really happy and I thought of trying it out. So I thought of taking up the challenge for 2 weeks with the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Brightening Serum, which is of course their newly launched product. So I'm going to talk you through about the glycolic range and plus even the product and what it does. So what is glycolic acid? Glycolic acid is a ingredient which is used by the dermatologist across the globe to treat the blemishes, acne and even the dark spots. And this ingredient is very powerful because it is coming from the family of the molecules and it is the Alpha Hydroxy Acid. And this is the smallest and the lightest molecule of the family. And this works for 2 levels of your skin. So number 1, this penetrates the deepest layer of your skin and cell by cell it removes the melanin production in your skin. And number 2, it works for the surface of your skin. It removes the dead cells. It gives you the appearance of a very soft, smooth and supple glowing face. I was really interested to try out the ingredients and I'm really happy that L'Oreal Paris has come up with their Glycolic Bright range and I got the opportunity of trying this serum. And as you can see on the screen, I have all the products which is newly launched by the L'Oreal Paris and this is the Glycolic Bright range. And I'm really excited to try the products out because not only for the ingredients but even L'Oreal Paris is a trusted international brand with obviously the science-based products. Now as you can see, I have all the products from the range which is launched and there is a cleanser, serum, day cream and night cream. But today I'm going to talk you through the details of the Glycolic Bright Serum. Now you guys already know serum is the most potent skincare solution. So first let's talk about the packaging. As you can see, the packaging is very cute. Plus it is very clean and classy with the two-toned effect in it. And this is how the serum looks. So I'm going to apply this and show you how the texture is. So this is very nice and smooth and there is no stickiness, there is no greasiness as well. It is very nice and smooth and it gives you a nice glow. So as you can see, it has absorbed the product and it is not feeling greasy or sticky at all. And I really enjoy the fragrance of this. It is very mild and very soothing. I really love applying this even for the smell as well because it makes me feel very refreshed. And even you can see the bottle is super cute because it has a very nice two-toned effect in it. This product even claims that it is going to reduce the 5 years of dark skin and it's even going to brighten your skin in just 2 weeks. And I have been trying this for 2 weeks, like it's almost 2 to 3 weeks now, and I have been getting good results out of this. It is giving my skin a very nice glow, plus it has definitely reduced the dark spots of my skin. You can see I have no makeup except the kajal and the lipstick. And if you go a little previous on my channel and check out few old videos, you will definitely see that my blemishes were dark and even I had a very dark skin. But now as I can see, this has reduced the darkness and it has given me a very light and bright look to my skin. Plus it has added the glow from within. And this contains 1% of glycolic acid, which is really suitable for home and even it is good for daily usage. This is clinically consumer and dermatologically tested, which is definitely amazing. So guys, now let's see how you can use this product. So guys, first I'm going to use the cleanser and wash my face. So this is the L'Oreal Paris Glycolic Bright Glowing Daily Cleanser Foam. So guys, as you can see right here, I'm just going to wash my face with this and it is definitely going to cleanse my face. So next I'm going to use the Glycolic Bright Serum. You can use this with the dropper, but I prefer it with my hand. I always squeeze out some and then apply that evenly on my skin. I like to apply this and even lightly tap on my face so it is well absorbed. And after massaging this into my skin, I definitely would like to go for a sunscreen in the morning, and L'Oreal Paris has already got us covered. They already have this Glycolic Bright Glowing Day Cream with SPF 17 in it. And it is very important to use a sunscreen after you have applied the glycolic acid. You have to just apply this and gently massage this in your skin, and you can see it has absorbed into my skin really beautifully, and it doesn't even leave any white cast like any other sunscreen. So I have been using this religiously, and I can show you the before and the after right here. This definitely worked for my skin. It did make my skin look very bright and glowy as well. So if you get your hands on these products, you have to use this religiously. As you have seen the difference in my skin, I have been using this from 3 weeks now. It's not 2, like 3 weeks now, and I can see the difference obviously, but I am going to continue using this religiously. Not only this is going to fight my 5 years of dark spots and dark skin, even it is going to make sure that it is not forming a new one, because every day we can get dark spots and dullness in our skin. So this is very normal for us to get formed with a new dark spot, but you can use this range completely and get rid of all the old dark spots you have, and even you can prevent from getting a new one. It is very common to get dark spots because of hormonal changes, for environment, for UV rays, lights, and so many things. So I suggest that please use this product religiously and don't use for 1 or 2 days and just expect for a visible result, because only if you use a product religiously you are definitely going to get all the benefits which is there claimed by the brand. And even I have the night cream, which is a little gel based, and I absolutely love using this as well. So if you want the best results, I'm definitely going to recommend you to go with the complete range, and this is magic right here. So please, if you don't even use the complete range, definitely go for this. So the products are not at all expensive according to me, so you can definitely go ahead and get your complete range. But if you are looking for something that you want to just try it on, you can definitely go with this right here, the serum. It is for 15 ml, and this can work as a testing material. So you can go with this for 2 weeks and then you can get the rest of the products. But definitely I'm going to recommend the whole range, because that is going to work much more than only one product. So just let's see the summary. So as the brand claims, it is going to reduce the 5 years of dark spots. It is very true. The dullness and the dark spot has gone, almost gone, and I am using this complete range, and I'll make sure that I am religiously doing it. Plus it has 1% of glycolic acid, which is extremely safe to use every day, so you don't need to worry about it. And the fragrance is to die for. Like, I absolutely love it. Like, it gives me a very refreshing feel in the morning, and plus in the evening it definitely calms me down and makes me feel calm, refreshed, and ready for the bed. So I definitely got my dermat at home itself, and you can try these products. So the price range is very simple. It is not very expensive or something. So for 15 ml of product, it is 399 rupees, and for the larger one, which is the 30 ml of product, it is for 749. And even you are going to get all the links in the description box, so do check it out. So I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely like to read it out. So if you are looking for a great range of product, you can definitely go with this right here. It is one of my favorite, and even it is working really amazing for me. But make sure the key is to be religious with everything that you do. So yeah, this is even giving me a lot of confidence nowadays. So if you want that same thing for yourself, do check out the description box and get your hands on all the products. So that's it for this video. We'll see you in my next one. Till then, take care. Love you all. Mwah. Bye.